Good afternoon, this is Scott Smith from Central Valley HHO. When we started with this, the soot level was 5.85, and we've only been in the regen now for about 5 minutes. So we predict it to go down to 0. This is what we've been doing on almost every one of these trucks. All right, we're at the end of the video now. You can see soot level is 0. We have cleaned the soot level and ash out of this truck. This completes the regen of this particular truck.